Hi, in this video we'll see the recipe of Mocha Biscuit pudding. It's a very easy and delicious coffee and chocolate pudding. To make the custard, first we need to add milk to a bowl along with cocoa powder, coffee powder and maida and whisk it into a smooth paste. Ensure we don't have lumps in this mixture. At first, it might not look like it is coming together, but we need to mix it for 1 to 2 minutes until it is very smooth. Once the mixture comes together without any lumps, we can start cooking the custard. Here I have taken half the quantity of the milk to make this mixture and half of it to boil. In a pan, add the milk and allow it to boil along with sugar. I have mentioned the exact quantities I have used in the description. Once it comes to a light boil, add the chocolate mixture and keep whisking. Continuously mixing this is required, it's very important, or else you might have a lumpy custard. I cooked them for 5 to 7 minutes. The reason why we are mixing this and cooking it is because the maida needs to be cooked. We can't have the maida raw. And I have also used full fat milk here to give an extra creamy texture. When you run the finger at back of the spoon, if the mixture doesn't come together, it shows that the custard is ready, as shown in the video. Once it is cooked, transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool. If required, you can have this custard as it is because it tastes so good. Now, to make the biscuit pudding, firstly we need to dip the biscuits in a coffee mixture. This is plain black coffee that I've made with coffee powder and little sugar. Once the biscuits are dipped, place them in a single layer. You can completely make this in a normal container because the first time I tried it, I did it in a Tupperware container only. So once the biscuit layer is formed, add the chocolate custard and spread it evenly. After this, you can add nuts or fruits of your choice and you can start building the layers. Likewise, add a layer of biscuit and custard until the entire container is filled. Finally, top it with a thick layer of the custard and you can decorate it as per your choice. Here I have used only nuts and few raisins to decorate it. I have finely chopped cashews and badam along with raisins. Once everything is done, we need to keep them in the freezer for minimum 2 hours for it to set. After 2 hours, you can slice them and have it. This is very decadent, super delicious, made with 7 ingredients available at home. Do give it a try and let us know how it turned out.